If you want to do it, on your head be it, remove your helmet. He's changed his mind. I knew he would. Go on. Be brave. Show the ladies and gentlemen that you are not a photocopy. They want to see. It's coming. Is it Susan Boyle? Is it Susan Boyle? Oh my God! Stand up! Look who it is! The Daily Mail was wrong! Oh my God! Oh, you've got a head and ears! You've everything! Now, have a seat, because there's so much I want to ask. Where do we start? Honestly, where do we start? First of all, did you really once punch a horse to the ground?
Well, I did think about it, but I have a wife, she loves horses, and I ended up in the ground, so...
The Stig is married! The Stig is married to a horse lover. We've established something. What other can I ask? Are you illegal in 17 US states?
No, that's much too exaggerated. It's only 9 if I...
9? It's illegal in 9 US states? I just can't believe... Now, some people have told us that you only know 2 facts about ducks, and both of them are wrong. Is that true?
Well, I mean, obviously they don't fly, but...
Yeah, you're right. You don't know anything about ducks. I can't believe it. And the other thing, of course, I've got to ask you, before you pulled on the white suit, before you were famous, what's your real name? Come on, tell us. What is it? It's just too amazing for words, all this.
Well, you have to keep up... You have to keep up some secrets, I mean...
Come on, everyone, who is he? It's Michael Schumacher! Yeah. And that's brilliant, because... we've got to ask something about Formula One, I guess, while you're here. And the question I want to ask, first of all, is why is Lewis Hamilton all of a sudden coming last? He was winning, and now he isn't. Do you know the answer?
Well, it is very difficult occasionally when the car doesn't